Today we're making a no-bake peanut butter cream pie, whipped in Silky. It serves 8 and takes about 20 minutes of active time, plus 2 hours to chill. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 9-inch graham cracker pie crust, ready-made. This will be our base. 1 cup cold, heavy whipping cream for the filling. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of kosher salt, 1 cup cold heavy whipping cream for the topping, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar for the topping, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract for the topping, 2 tablespoons chopped roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons mini chocolate chips. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Put a metal mixing bowl and the beaters in the freezer for 10 minutes and leave the 9-inch graham crust on the counter. Whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream in the chilled bowl until stiff peaks form, then set it aside. In a separate bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth. Add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and beat until fully combined and fluffy. Beat in 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of kosher salt until the mixture is light and smooth. Gently fold the whipped cream into the peanut butter mixture in 3 additions, stopping as soon as no streaks remain. Scrape the filling into the crust and smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Chill the pie uncovered for 20 minutes, then cover it and refrigerate until set, about 2 hours total. For the topping, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to soft peaks. Spread or pipe the whipped cream topping over the chilled pie and leave a small border if you like. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped roasted peanuts and 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips evenly over the top. Slice with a warm knife and serve cold. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this pie, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe.